Okay. Welcome ulit po for the final game for the day between Los Hermanos clad in all green na. All green po sila ngayon. Sa kabila naman is all white and blue naman po is Extreme Bowlers. Okay, Extreme Bowlers and Los Hermanos po will carry it out for the final game for today. Final game po nila yun for today po ngayon. Los Hermanos and...
Yung sapatos na yan pala nasa pair. Hindi kinuha ni Ikram yung sapatos eh. Pinakita ko kay Vestas ka. Oh, laki.
Ano sabi ni Scott?
Nakabalik pa.
Nandiyan si Scott. Huwag mo muna kung ano. Nandiyan si Scott.
Ito lang naman. Ilang games na akong nawala. Kaya biglang gano'n ko paano tambot. Nakakapaginayin. Ayun o.
2 points ang
Ilan lang points kung pasok lang.
Kung pumasok yung isang isumat ko kami yung magbabago texture.
Oo na eh.
Pero ano siya, pero ayos naman yun. Pero may pay talan ba kayo? Wala pa. Marami pa naman. Makakapag pa kayo. Marami pa mangyari yan. Sweep na lang yun. Mas yung situation yun. Mas yun. Pero wala si Darko.
Ayun, dapat.
Darko, pag kinako nandyan, kung ang magpapunin naman yung hindi po siya pero matako si number 0. Matako si number 6 po. Matako si number 6. Wala, paano meron pang ano ba ang households niya?
Yung rules lang.
Pero kasi ang isang thing nito, itong taong to, nakampas na ito, doon kayo sinasabi, kung wala ka pa, pinakamit hindi yung puli at talas magkakangka. Nakasya kasi ito. Kaya na-technical siya. Pero na-technical yun. Yes, sir. Yan pa. Kung saan kung sikat kung sa sapatos. Sige po. Okay po. Second game po tayo. We're just waiting for the opening whistle between Los Hermanos clad in all green combination. Sa kabila naman po is white and blue and yellow. Naka-white po sila ngayon. Light team sila. Light bot po sila ngayon is Q Extreme Bowlers. Yan po yan. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle to come up. And of course, for the final ball game of the day. And after this po, build back muli po tayo po again po sa Friday basketball action muli po ng Aviation Friendly League basta Flying League. Magkakaroon muli po tayo ng another schedule muli po tayo sa Friday and maraming salamat po. Okay, we're just waiting up for opening this whistle to start the ball game. Extreme Bowlers. Wala si Blini. Kabila naman, wala naman si Ian sa kabila. Well, just wait now for opening whistle to start the ball game. This is up. Okay, sumipo na ba ang referee natin? Sumipo na ba? Okay, si Chu Deluxe ang kasama sa kalaban niya. Katapat niya si number 8. Chu Deluxe and number 8. And Los Hermanos ball. Los Hermanos. Benji. Number 8 pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by number 26. Nice wrap around pass. Palpal ni Chu Deluxe. Swatted away ni Chu Deluxe pero may foul. Kulang pa rin po ang Team Los Hermanos. Mas kompleto po ngayon ang Team Extreme Ballers. Number 8 shooting for 2. Number 8 shooting for 2 po siya. Shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Labas bola. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay, palit bola yata. Palit bola. Palit bola nga. Malalim. Malambot. Tulog malambot yung bola. Okay, second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pasok. 1-0. Hermanos. Trece. 14 for 3. Malakas. Nakuha number 28 ang bola. Nice rebound sa Monte. Sa Monte, 26. 13. 77. Lost the ball. Swatted away by 14. Kick out pass kay 13. Wala. Again, 77 for 3. Bang! 77. That's Pasi. Pasi for 3. Pasok. Jason fumbles around. Okay, balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola. Take note po, medyo kulang po Hermanos ngayon. Isa lang po pamalit nila kumpara mo sa sa bench po ng QBXR, yung Extreme Ballers natin. Again, 77. No good. Chu Deluxe, naka-rebound. 14. Driving the ball. 13, 14, slicing, wala. And no good. Nice D, nice down, nice D still. Again, Hermanos ball. Benji. 77, si Pasi. Samonte. Pops up. No good. Nakuha ni 17 bola. 17 naman ang QBXR. Extreme Ballers. Driving strong. Wala. And wala nga. Same ball nga lang. Wala nga pero same ball. Tingnan natin tubig. Hop! 17. Pasok ang bola. Finally, 2-4 po. Nakascore din po ang Extreme Ballers. Lamang pa rin po ang team, Benji. Number 8, palpal ng bahagya. Nakuha ni 17. Almost had the ball po si number 26. 14. Lotero M. Power move. Wala pa rin. Samonte, 2-on-1. 2-on-3. Malakas. Nice rebound by Chu Deluxe. Chu Deluxe now driving strong. Chu Deluxe. Floater shot. 2 points, Chu Deluxe. Tabla po tayo sa 4. Iyan, nasan ka rito? Team mo to ba't wala ka rito? Hinahanap ka nila. 13, pops up, Benji, no good. 13 Bulen, and 14 naman, 14! Yes, sirree! 2 points. 14, Litero, 2 points. 22. 26, Samonte, driving it strong. Wala. And wala nga talaga. Ariola, last touch. Ariola, last touch. Green ball. 13, fadeaway shot, malakas. And for 13 naman, 13 ng QBXR. Steam Ballers. Ayun, kay 14, wala pa rin. Jason, fadeaway shot, no good. Pasi, Benji, binapasa. 8, wala. Judelax, coast to coast. Judelax. Foul, Pasi. 2 shots awarded kay Judelax, the Serbian. First shot ni Judelax, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. 77, Judelax. Second throw, pops up. No good. Rebound won by Samonte. Ingat, boss. Ingat. Ocho, Panga, no good. 6 minutes, 4 seconds remaining. Jason, power move, hacking, foul. Ingat, boss. Aris, ingat. Ingat. Game. Jason, first shot. 7 po score po natin yun. Change favor na po ha. First shot. Jason, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Early entry. Green ball. Green ball po tayo. Early entry kasi tinawag sa kanila. Lumilipad ba kayo? Stewardess kayo? Stewardess? Duty free. Kay Madam Lulu. 77 na naman! Malakas! 13 against 13 din. Nakalusot. Pop. Teka lang po. Offensive foul po tayo. Sabi ng ref, offensive foul daw. 5 minutes 32 remaining. Handaan nyo na po yung second lineup nyo po. Benji. 8, lost the ball. Counter steal completed. 13, wala, kapos. 14 muli. 14, driving strong, foul. 8, foul number 8. Okay, change 5 na po tayo. Lutero shooting for 2. Okay, second 5 nyo po, pasok nyo na. Second 5 po, to calling out. Second 5, pasok na po natin yan. Okay, thank you. Second 5, okay. Lutero, first shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Okay, both basket made. 9-4. Lutero, labas muna para kay number 19. Quality minutes being given by Lutero. And timeout called. Timeout called by Hermanos. Kulang kasi Hermanos. Kaya napansin po natin. Barely, may pamalit lang silang isa. Kabila na po is QBXR po. Masyado marami po. Kompleto po sila. Kaya marami sila yun. Sheikha Asma, the first Qatari woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest. Okay. Okay, let's Hermanos Ball. Samonte, 26. Nilabas muna si number 19 para kay number... Yan yung bago. Kay number 28, Aranyes. Binabantay ng todo. Pasi. Benji for 3. No, it's driving. Benji. Uy, sayang. Malakas. Almost had the ball. 2 shots awarded kay Benji. Wala rin pala si Pao ni Rito. Benji shooting for 2. First shot. Basket good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready at 4 minutes 42 seconds remaining of the first quarter rather. Nakakuha ni 15 ng bola. 15 driving in, almost lost the ball. Rodriguez, pasok ang bola, coast to coast. Walang pinasahan. Good ball. Labrado, shake and fake. Wala. Foul. Okay, bottom side court inbound. Tapos. Baba kagad, sabi ng coach nila. Eto na, Benji. Nice on 26. Lost the ball. Buhay pa rin bola. Lost the ball again. Wala pa rin. And held ball situations finally. Okay, bola ng puti. Ball ng puti daw. Frias. Intercepted by Samonte. Foul! Nice effort by Samonte. 11-5 po score po natin. Laman pa rin po ng animang QBXR o Extreme Bowlers. Pops up. No good. Labrado. Nagmamadali. Labrado. Oy! Traveling violation. Traveling niya talagang. Nawala. Nag-fumble siya. Nag-fumble. Pasi. Benji. 26. That's Samonte. 26. 28. Aranyes. Ginagala ang bola. Samonte. Benji. Kumingan natin ng cutter. Sayang! Walang pinasahan. Maganda sana yung play nun. Well read sana yung play. Back to the ball game. Number 5. Inbounding. Frias. May tayo ng bola. Frias. Driving strong. Nope. Pops up for 3. Kapos talaga. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Number 28, 26. Samonte. 28. Aranyes. Going it strong. 2 points, Aranyes. Ganun lang, kinakailangan nila, sabi nila. Frias, driving strong the ball. To Rodriguez, foul! Rodriguez shooting for 2. Rodriguez, 2 shots awarded. Hindi pala. Oh, teka lang po, teka lang. Traveling violation called. Traveling without a passport is a serious offense. Nakuha, Labrado, palpal! Wala si Ian. Okay, white ball muli po tayo from the top out ni Labrad. Top out ni Samonte. Frias. Hop, teka lang po. Traveling violation. Naunang hakbang sa talon. Naunang hakbang sa dribble. Benji. Please like, share, and subscribe po sa aking channel, Arvin G Vlogs po. And of course po sa po, Event Horizon Vlogs, kung gusto nyo ng parang konting chit-chat po sa mga iba't ibang klaseng issues. Maraming salamat po. Okay, number 14, inbounding muli. 30 seconds remaining. Nahuli. Arangues driving it strong. Wala. Labrado intercepted by Benji. 3-on-1 situation. 2 points. 26, 2 points. 11-9. 13 seconds remaining. Benji again. Labrado. Hindi labas. Scoop shot ni Labrado, di pumasok. And wala na, sayang. That's it for the first quarter action. Laman po ang Extreme Ballers ng dalawa. 11-9 ang score. Bago po tayo magtrabaho. Tayo magtrabaho muna. Ito, nga dito. Tayo magtrabaho muna. Hanap buhay muna po tayo. Plugging. Okay. This is your aviation friend, Doubles of Flying League. Third season na po tayo. We're here live always. New to International School in Barrow Village in Doha. And also these games also always watch live po ito sa Martin Everizo FB page. And of course, this game is followed with sponsors po. Team LBC, Harry Padala, and Thread the Needles. And of course, part of by SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. To watch our league, to enter league po, just visit the Facebook FB page for details. You're watching right now the game between, of course, Los Hermanos and Extreme Ballers. Okay, number 8, Pakinggan. Number 8, Pakinggan. Shoot. Number 8. Benji. 15, Pakinggan. 8, pops up. No good. Malakas ang mga. Ariola, nagmamadali. Second quarter action. Nice one, number 5. 2 points, number 5. Number 5, 2 points. 9:37 remaining. Benji. Pakinggan, pinasa kagad kay Ariola. Op! Foul! Jason called for the foul. 2 shots kay Arangues. 2 shots. First shot, number 28, Arangues shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Chance to trim the lead down to 2 points para sa Los Hermanos over on the QBXR. Okay, bulk baskets made po yan ni Arangues. Lamang din po ng dalawa na lang ang QBXR, Extreme Ballers. Extreme Ballers po, Extreme Ballers. Montecillo. Monticello. Almost lost the ball. Good ball, good ball. Walang ano yan. Na-tap out eh. Lutero. Driving is strong. Foul! AL. High flyer, Lupel. High flyer pala si Lutero. High flyer si Lutero. Lutero, 2 shots awarded. First shot. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Lutero, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. And it's no good. Jason, drive strong. Kapos. Green ball. Green ball. Green ball. Nice D by number 8. Benji. Walang pamalit ang Los Hermanos. Benji. Pasi. Number 8. Lost the ball. Number 8, 19. Al. Floater shot. 2 points. Al, 2 points. 8 minutes, 9 remaining. Pasi intercepted. The pass. Number 28 muli, Aranez, driving it strong. Dukot sa ilalim. Wala. Nakakuha ni Chudilax ang bola. Chudilax ng coast to coast. Chudilax. Pass to Lutero. Hoy! Traveling violation. Dapat i-dribbling yun, pero hindi. Nag-fumble siya. Benji again. Chance again to take back the lead. Foul! Number 8. Shooting for 2. Number 8, shooting for 2. Jason called for the foul. Pakinggan, 8. Shooting for 2. No good. Okay, just to tie the ball game. Number 8, just to tie the ball game. Pops up. No good. Chudilax sa rebound. Lutero, pinasa agad. Ariola kay Lutero. Lutero, driving strong. And Ariola, dukot sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. 15-13, 16-13. Benji. Benji, binabati ng Monticello. 28, Aranez, driving it strong. Wala, kapos. One more time, Monticello, Ariola, wala. Passing, nakuha rebound. 2-on-1, 3-on-2. Kapos, Chudilax ang rebound. Chudilax, rebound. Chudilax, driving strong, coast to coast, no, kay Jason kay Monticello, pinapasang bola. Pops up, no good. Rebound battle, 1 by Pasi, binababa na again. Binababa na. Pasi. 28. Pagod na. Pasi. Wala. Pagod na. Medyo pagod sila. I think fatigue is all the factor. Badjola intercepted. Benji completed this interception. Benji. 77. Pasi. Balakas. Foul. Lutero. Nope. Hindi pala. Pasi pala. Who's pang rep? 7 Paki. Pasi pala. Pasi. Hold for the foul. Not Lutero. Sorry. Natabig pa. Chudilax. Binabantay ni number na 29. 19 rather. Chudilax. Foul! Chudilax shooting for 2. First shot, Chudelax. It's in. Second shot, jumper ready. 16-13 ang score po ngayon. Magiging 17-13 yan. Second shot, Chudelax. Pops up. Both basket made. 18-13. Okay. Gabby's watching already also. Number 8, foul! Timeout, Hermanos. Wala pa si Sibrini yun. Game. Ocho. Passy for 3. No good. Rebound. Tumba agad. Okay. Number 5. Arnan. Kaloy. Number 8. Kaloy. Nakuha ni Ocho. Benji muna si Benji. Nagmamadali. Benji lost the ball. Number 4, Arnan, shake and fake, pumasok. Palpal. Good ball. Nakuha. Passy, driving in. 26. Bati na po. Gusto nyo bumati? Pwede bumati. Benji, no good. 4 minutes 11 remaining. Passy intercepted the ball. Passy again. Number 8. Pops up. Kapos. No good. Rodriguez. No good. Number 5. Rebound. What a rebound by number 5. Number 5. No good. Benji again. Kick pass kay number 8. Number 8. 2 points, number 8. No good. Kaloy, number 14. 14 grabbing it strong. Lost the ball. Rodriguez, rebound barrel. 2 points, Rodriguez. Passy. 2 points, Passy. That's Passy, 2 points. 19-17, dalawa na muli lamang na lang ng QBXR. Rodriguez lost the ball. Still completed. 3-on-1 situation. Benji, malakas. 4-on-2, 5-on-2. 14, 2 points, number 14. Number 8 lost the ball. Two points, 14. Number 8. Foul. Number 8, 2 shots, pakinggan. First shot, pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Lamang na po ng 6 ang Team QBXR o Extreme Bowlers. Pops up, basket made. 5. A minute 46 remaining of the second quarter action. Rodriguez. One more time. Palpal. Rebound barrel. Walakas. Benji. Nagmamadali. 3-on-2 situation. Pasi. 2 points and 1 play. And 1 play nga. Basket confirmed. Isang oras. Number 77, Pasi, shooting for 2. 77, Pasi, shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle, 1 by. Isa pa, Arañez. 2 points, 4-point play ginawa nila. Don't look now. It's 1 point again. A minute and 5 remaining. Labrado. Arnam for 3. No good. Rodriguez. Foul. Dahan-dahan sa foul, boss. Kulang kayo. Rodriguez, first shot. Good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Just extend the lead. 3 points. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Both basket made. 25-22. Lamang muli ng 3. Arañez. Pasi. Against Labrado. Benji. Taking it strong. No good. Nakuha mo rin Arañez. Arañez. Siya naman. Palpal. Nice block. Swatted away. Pasi. For 3. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Short stop. No good. Kaloy. Rodriguez. Almost lost the letter. Rodriguez again. No good. One more time. Kaloy. 2 points, Kaloy. Parang Yulo. Kaloy. Carlos yata yung sabihan. 28. 2 points, 28. 5 seconds. No good. Okay, that's it. End of the first half action. Laman po ng 3 ang Extreme Bowlers. 27-24. Magbabalik po tayo for the second half. Pumul tayo. No. Oh, may nagme-message. Sabi rito, J. Ramos, good luck sa mga tropa ng Los Hermanos. At si Siasa Cesalado Joroge is watching already. Okay, thank you po, sir. Sabi po, good luck po sa mga tropa ng Los Hermanos, sabi ni J. Ramos. Okay, white ball. Okay, white ball. 13, inbounding. Okay. 14, Lutero. Lutero. For 3. Malakas. Pasi. 8. Pacing muna sila, tansya ko. Samonte. 28. No good! Papsi! Out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Out of bounds. Again. 13. 13. 13. Traffic. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. 77. Yan. 8. Benji. 28. Benji. Buong ano muna. Set up po na sila ngayon. 28. No good. Jude Deluxe sa rebound. Jason. Nope. Si 13 kumuha po ng bola. Lutero driving it strong. Nilabas muna. Jason for 2. No good. Pasi, naka-rebound. Pasi. Pasi. 8, dukot, wala pa rin. And same ball. Green ball. Green ball. Benji. Benji, side step move. 2 points sa wakas. Pumasok. 8 minutes remaining. Lutero. Chudelax. For 2. Malakas. Pasi. 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 Binababa ang bola. Patiently. Benji. Arañez. Benji muli. Binigyan ng bola. Benji. Driving it strong. Op. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. (27-26) still a 1-point lead na lang ng team Extreme Ballers. Lutero. Chudelax, easy 2. Yes, sirree. Chudelax, easy 2. Benji. 6 minutes 44 remaining. Lost the ball, pero may foul. Benji shooting for 2. Benji shooting for 2 po tayo. First shot ni Benji. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Dalawa. Lamang ng dalawa ang Extreme Ballers. Lotero. 77, driving it strong. Foul. Number 8, again called for the foul. Sino to? Sino to? Pops up. Second shot, jumpers ready. Basket made. 30-27. Okay, tamat muna po, Los Hermanos. Kailangan mo na medyo makapagpahinga sila ng konti. 6 minutes, 14 seconds remaining. Sino ka po na to? Okay, tayo-tayo po tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Game, ito muli. Okay, inbound po ng Green Boys. Green Boys. Doon sa intro. Benji Arañez. Benji Pasi. Check ball. Still completed. And one more time, 2 points. 2 points, 14. Two points. 26. Samonte. That's Samonte. Rodriguez lost the ball. Palpal. Chudilax. And one play made kay Chudilax. Chudilax. Bonus video coming up. 30-29, unting-ting umaalago na po ang Extreme Ballers. Okay, number 5, papasok muna para kay 13. Chudilax, shooting for bonus free throw. Chudilax. Pops up. No good. Arañez to Benji. Pasi, malakas. Chudilax intercepted. Lotero, 3-on-1. Malakas ang pasa. Mataas pati. Lost the ball. Counter steal. Foul. Holding foul committed. Okay, side court. Pasi, Benji taking strong. 2 points, Benji. Tatlo, 34-31 muli. Laman pa rin po ang Extreme Bowlers. Montisilio, driving it strong. And, balik po sa green ang bola. Nice D. Benji. Pasi, tinawid na. Benji, side step move, malakas. Number 8, foul! Joanna Selga Rocamora is watching also. Magandang gabi po, madam. Okay, labas muna, Lotero, labas muna para kay number 14. Number 14 pala. Pops up. Good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pakinggan, second free throw. Malakas. Chudelax, nakuha. Yung Montalban, Labrado, matake, Labrado. 2 points, Labrado. Samonte, Pasi. Benji. Pakinggan, 8. Malakas. Again, Montisilio. 3 minutes 20 remaining. Montisilio, Rodriguez, malakas. Pasi. Arañez, Dukot, 2 points. Montisilio, 36-34. Lamang ng dalawa ang QBXR. Extreme Bowlers. Steal completed. Ang counter steal. Si Daisy. Traveling violation called. Paikot-ikot siya. Kaloy, papasok muna. Okay, substitution din muna. Pakinggan. Sino? Okay, again, timeout called by... Nagtamat muli po ang Los Hermanos. 2 minutes 38 seconds remaining. Lamang muli ng dalawa na lang ang Extreme Bowlers. We have a timeout. Demi Enron is watching. Okay. Good evening po sa Sir Demi. Wala ka rin isang gabi din nung nalaro yung hub kahapon. Okay, back to the ball game at 2 minutes 38 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Inbounding po si Pasi, 77. Samonte. Pasi, binababa. Samonte. 8. Teka, muntik lang. Foul, Montisilio. Warning for penalty, QBXR. Huli. Huling pumasok. Sinay. Kaloy. Power move, 2 points. Labrado, 2 points. Lost the ball, still completed. Labrado again. Drop pass kay Montisilio. teka lang po, teka lang. 3-second violation. A minute and 35 remaining. Back to the white ball. Out of bounds. Pagod na. Rodriguez. Kaloy driving. 14. Rodriguez, nope. It's Montesilla for 3. Nope. Pasi. Benji. Floater shot. No good. Chudelac sa rebound. Foul. Just to stop the ball game. Chudelac. Fouled by Pasi. Grabe. Both teams warning for penalty. Kaloy. A minute remaining. Kaloy muli. For 3. No good. Samonte. Driving it strong. Malakas. Lumabas ang bola. Montesillo. Rodriguez. 3-on-3 situation. Rodriguez, nakuha kay pass yung bola. Arañez, driving it strong. Foul. Penalty situation. Arañez shooting for 2. Penalty situation. Extreme bowlers. A minute and 27 seconds remaining. Only. Arañez, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Po tayo. 26, Arañez, pops up. No good. Rebound one by Rodriguez. Labrado, zigzagging. Labrado, palpal. Pasi. Pakinggan. Turn around shot. Naku, dilabas. 5 seconds. Rodriguez. 2 points Rodriguez. And that's it po sa ating third quarter action. Okay, final 10 minutes of the ball game coming up. Ito po ang FL Aviation Friend League, Dabas sa Flying League. Third season na po tayo. Live always po tayo sa Newton International School or Academy. Sa Bower Village po yan in Doha, Qatar. In Doha. You're watching right now the game between Extreme Bowlers in white and Los Llamanos in green. And we're just waiting up the final 10 minutes of the ball game. Fourth quarter na po tayo yun. And after this po, we'll be back again on Friday. Basketball action muli po. Same time, same place, same channel. Maraming salamat po. And of course, fourth quarter action coming up. 40-34, 6 points lead po ang kalamangan ng Team Extreme Bowlers. Okay, game po tayo. Samonte. From Pasi, Samonte. Arañez, pops up. Boarding shot. Pasok. Yan ang kinakalaan nila. Inbound violation. Hey, sir. Rep, ano yun? Inbound? Stepping the line para, stepping the line. Inbound violation, stepping the line. Tumapak sa linya. Okay. Pasi for 3. Wag muna, binabantayan. Benji. Just to trim the lead to 2 points again. Pops up. Bang! Nice one by Samonte. Jason Cariaga, shoutout kay Pasi. Pumuntos ka na naman, sabi niya. Sige po. Badjola. Hop, teka lang. Ano po yun, rep? Traveling violation kay Badjola. Again, chance again to tie the ball game. Sabi ni Jason Cariaga, Jos Cariaga, shoutout kay Pasi, pumuntos na naman. Samonte, 8, pakinggan, nagmamadali. Again, Samonte, nakalusot, malakas, nahuli. Eto na naman, Chudilax, ayun, 2 points na naman sila, Labrado. Tough break sa Los Hermanos, panlablasan na yun. Ito naman, Arañez rather, 8. Pakinggan. Ayun, sa ilalim. 2 points again. Nice one by Samonte. Pasulpot-sulpot lang. Ang live, ganyan lang. Okay, good ball. Again, Benji versus number 14. Jason, 14 again. 14. 7, Badjola, lost the ball. No good. And 2 points for Rodriguez. Nakabawi. And now, iba, Arañez, blocking foul. Okay. Blocking foul called on number 17. Badjola takes slap with a technical. Okay, back to the ball game. Rep, technical. Ako, sorry sa kalam. Okay, back to the ball game. Nag-timeout lang pala yun. Okay, Pasi, green ball po. Pasi for the inbound. Pasi. 26. Steal from behind. And Labrado, 2 points. Pagod na sila. Arañez, zigzagging. Sa ilalim, 2 points pa rin. Bumabawi pa rin. 46-42. Lamang na 4 muli ang team Extreme Bowlers. Extreme Bowlers now. Again, Labrado to Chudilax for 3. No good. Pasi, naka-rebound. Lost the ball. Nako ni 8. White ball. Still completed. Samonte, palpal. Chudilax. Swatted away by Chudilax. Now, naswat na. Chudilax, nice D by Chudilax. 6 minutes 50, pops up for 3. No good. Okay, Labrado. And 1 play pa. I think this is it. Pagod na yung lolo ng Hermanos. Kaya medyo luluwag ng konti na yung passing lane din pati. Benji gave up the foul for Labrado. 48-42, lamang na 6 muli para gawin 7. 1 shot again, coming up, pops up. No good. Rebound by 1 by 8. Arañez. Samonte, Badjola, 2 points again. 48-44, laman ng 6. Chudilax. Double teamed. Nakalusot. Foul. Hinampas mo eh. Wala pa penalty. Side court. Second tulo. Second half. Second team foul pa lang. Chudelax. Nilabas. Lutero. Malakas. Chudelax. Lost the ball. Foul. Five foul sa Monte, graduate. 5 foul sa Monte, graduate. Third team foul pa lang ng Hermanos. Rodriguez sa ilalim. Lumabas ang bola. Nawala ang bola. Balik sa green ang bola. Namali pinasahan. Rodriguez, 2 points. Bumawi si Rodriguez. Grabe. Benji hounded by 3. Benji Aranez. And now, nakuha ni Chudelax ang bola. Chudelax again. Chudelax. No good. Rodriguez. Wala pa. One more time. Rodriguez. 2 points again. May pressure na sila. Tao-tao. Nagtatawa-tawa na. Foul. Badjola. Second personal foul, second team foul pa lang po na Extreme Bowlers. Nahuli ni Chudelax ang bola. Chudelax, malakas. Teka lang. Number 14, nanulak. Pasi. Nakalusot. Itawid ng bola. Foul! Akong shooting. (52-44). Lamang ng 8. 2 shots. Aranez, first shot. Must-made baskets. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Tapos. Nakuha. Nice D. White ball. Nice D ni Pasi. Nice D. 4 minutes 32, 52-45. 4 minutes, 32 seconds remaining. Lutero. Okay, easy mo na daw. Rodriguez, Chudelax ng bola. Lutero. Driving strong, Chudelax. Lutero for 3. Bang! Number 19. Benji. Wala. Chudelax, rebound. Lutero. 3 minutes 55 remaining. Rodriguez. 2 points to Rodriguez. Foul. Penalty situation. (77) 4 personal fouls. Penalty situation. Team Extreme Bowlers. Benji, first shot. No good. Pagod na. Second throw, jumpers ready. Take note, graduate na po si Samonte. Second shot, jumpers ready. Both baskets break. Rodriguez ang rebound. Labrado, nawala ang bola. Oh, teka lang. Lifting violation. Arañez sa kalusot. Arañez. Bank shot, no good. Pagod na. 3 minutes 17 remaining. Badjola, ayun. 4 team again for 2 points. Labrado, 2 points. Three minutes remaining. Arañez. That's Benji, rather. Penalty situation, team. Penalty situation na po yan. Ang team Extreme Bowlers. Arañez shooting for 2. Benji shooting for 2. First shot, kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound, 1. Rodriguez. 2 minutes 48 remaining. 59-45. This is the biggest lead of the ball game, ha? 59-45. Badjola intercepted. 2 minutes 26 remaining. Number 8. Wala pa rin. Number 8 again. Still 2 points. Number 8. 59-47. 12 kalamangan. Last 2 minutes. Rodriguez. Lotero. 14 to shoot. Rodriguez. Strong. Wala. One more time. Wala pa rin. Number 8. Pakinggan. Foul. Pushing foul. 1 minute 30 remaining. Okay, pahinga muna. 5-3-33. Papasok muna. Para kay 17, Lotero, and 15. Number 8, first shot, pasok. Is it mathematically possible para makakambak pa sila? Posible pa rin. Next shot. Hoy! Ano yun? A minute and 30 remaining. Monticello. Nonong Rivera intercepted by Pasi. Benji. Thinking 3 for 3. Bang! 59-50. Kaloy. Number 5. Labrado. Nakalusot. Kaloy. Chodilax. Sa ilalim. Dukot. Wala. 8. Naka-rebound. Benji. Nagmamadali. 77 Benji again for 3. No good. 49 seconds remaining. Okay, safety basket na to. Wala na. Easy basket na lang yan. Safety basket. 41. 5 for 3. No good. (59-53), 24 seconds remaining. That's it. 21 seconds remaining. Foul! Wala pa penalty. Isa pa. (18 seconds remaining. Foul! Ayan, di pala. Stepping violation. Tumapak na. Bench again. Malakas na. Okay, that's it. 3 seconds remaining. Wag yun ang, para ano na, kung hindi tayo. 3 seconds remaining. Aranjes. Bang, bang. Okay, that's it. Congratulations for winning the game. Team Extreme Ballers. Final score, 59-53. Hindi na po tayo magka-cut broadcast. Dire-diretso na po tayo. Team photo. Team photo, team photo, team photo. Team photo ba? Team photo. Okay, team photo. Paki-balance lang po. Please balance, please. Balance po. Paki-balance po para no. Thank you po, thank you. Congratulations sa Los Hermanos for giving a valiant fight. Yung score po, paki-ano. Okay, thank you. Compress, compress.
Alright.
Okay, final score, 59-53.
Score, sir. Score. Please.
Wag yung takpan, wag yung takpan.
Alright.
Tinulak. Okay, 59-53. Final score po yan. Of course, Team Extreme Ballers. Okay, Extreme Ballers po yan. Sino po ang iaalay? Sino po? Yun! Si Rodriguez. Okay, si Rodriguez po. Siya pong best player of the game. POG po. Oh, teka. Sisikat ka sa akin. Dito ka.
Double-double yan.
Okay,
10 points.
okay, okay, good performance po niya. Sabi rito, 15 points and 15 rebounds, ha?
10 rebound.
10 rebounds, double performance. Sa likod po kayo dito. Okay. Double, Mr. Double performance, Mr. Rodriguez, congratulations for winning the ball game. Mr. Double performance po ngayong gabi ito. Sir, ano po masasabi sa laro po isa? Mukhang may pit po ng labag din, dumalapit sila, pero nagagawin na parang para sila mapalayo muli.
Ayun po, teamwork lang po kami. Communication and then execution lang po.
Win number?
15.
Okay, good.
Win number 3.
Third win, good, okay. Sa last games po, sa ano po, makasama po namin sa QBXR, sa Extreme Ballers po.
Ano po, teamwork pa rin.
O, Dalsit Yak, ano na yan, malapit na, maglalaglagan na yan.
Stable pa rin at condition po.
Okay, sige sir, 1 minute, shoutout! Sige po.
Shoutout po
Shoutout po kanino?
Shoutout po dyan sa mga taga-Batangas.
Batangas, sa Taal.
Para kay Tawilisan.
Okay.
Players ko. Shoutout.
Teka na, nakasigrid ka ba? Nakasigrid ka?
Hindi po.
Okay, good. Kala ko nakasigrid ka eh. Mahirap na, nakalip tayo. Okay, sige po, ano pa? Sige, 1 minute to, sige. Lupusin mo.
Sa girlfriend ko.
Oh, yung girlfriend doon nga. Shoutout sa girlfriend niya. Sige, ano pa? Sige pa. May 30 cents ka pa.
Hindi ko na po kayo sa isa. Shoutout na lang po sa
Okay, that's it po. Yan po ang mga Extreme Ballers po, aka Extreme Ballers. Maraming salamat po sa ano. Again po, see you again for another next week po. For basketball action, konti ko po dyan. Maraming salamat po. For next week, basketball action muli po sa ating Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po and konti kaway ng konti. Okay, thank you po, thank you, and 3, 2, 1.